Dear student, welcome to my class. Now I am going to introduce myself. I am MD Monirujan Monir, assistant teacher English, Shunadak Secondary School, Bharamar, Kustia. And this presentation made for the class 6 to class 10 English second paper and its a grammar part. What are their symbols? These are punctuation marks. Our today's lesson is punctuation. Use of semicolon 1. We went to playground, played football. We enjoyed ourselves. Note semicolon is used to stop longer than comma. He had all the qualifications, yet he did not get the job. Note if a coordinate clause is added with therefore, yet, then, however, so, otherwise, still, nevertheless, and expresses opposite meaning, semicolon is then used between coordinate conjunction. Use of colon 1. There are two kinds of voice, active voice, passive voice. Note colon stops longer than semicolon. It is used to explain any previous sentence or quotation. Use of colon 2. Kamal. Why did you do this? Jamal. I had nothing to do. Note, it is used between the name of the speaker and his speech at the time of drama or dialogue. Use of question mark. How can I help you? Question mark is used after interrogative sentence. Alas, I am undone. Note. Exclamation mark is used after interjection. Exclamation mark 2. How beautiful the bird is. Exclamation mark is used after exclamatory sentence. Inverted comma 1. How comfortable the horseback is, said the little girl. Inverted comma is used before and after reported speech. Use of inverted comma 2. William Shakespeare was called the King of England's king. Inverted comma is used to quote a name. Why do we use what? We use what to make interrogative sentence and relative sentences. Relate sentence. Single quotation is used to mention a word, especially in a sentence. Use of apostrophe. Jisan book. Jisan's book. I have a pen. I have a pen. Apostrophe is used in a possessive case and as construction form. Jisan's book is a possessive case and I have a pen is a construction form. Use of hyphen. Father-in-law. Father-in-law. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Most of the people of the country are farmers. Therefore, they don't know the scientific method of cultivation. Hyphen is used to add different parts of a compound word and mentioning below the rest part of the last word of a sentence. Compound word. Use of dash. Dash is used to mean something certain change of thinking or idea, words in apposition and entering any anomalous part in a sentence. I 1. If I had not lost my all wealth, but why think of the past? 2. He sold many things, land, furniture. Many things, land, furniture. All the men, both rich and poor, will die. Use of brackets. I have lost all my wealth. My mother, he, Mr. Hassan, is the best English teacher. My mother, all my wealth. He, Mr. Hassan. Bracket is used to explain something clear or previous portion or to quote something in the sentence. See you again. Thank you.